Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm taking a look at the August AUG-AB03-C04-001 August View wire-free doorbell camera. Now this item will be released on April 9th of 2019. It's high-performance video, best-in-class sensor, provides the highest resolution of any battery-powered doorbell camera at 1440p, 33% more pixels than full 1080p HD. Capture every detail with minimal fisheye distortion. August View provides the most realistic view of your doorstep of any battery-powered doorbell. Protect your home. Zoom-able high-resolution video helps you identify package thieves and unwanted visitors. The August app shows a live stream of your doorstep at any time. Real-time conversation. Answer the door from your phone and have a real-time conversation with your visitor. All-in-one solution. August View comes ready to use out of the box with a video doorbell, wireless chime, rechargeable battery, and August app. Free video previews. August View provides free high-resolution clips of all the activities at your door. Let guests in from anywhere. August View can be connected to an August Smart Lock via August Connect Wi-Fi bridge, so you can let in guests from anywhere. So there you guys have it. That is the August wire-free doorbell camera. Now, if you guys are interested, would like more information, or would like to check it out yourself, just check below for the link. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you all next time. Till then, everyone.